Hello, parents and my dear students. How are you? Hope you're fine and spending good time at home. As we are in the lockdown period and we can't go out, so I, Miss Kunja, teacher of class 2, will help you through my videos. Children, now you are in class 2 and you have grown a year older. Have you grown a little taller since last year? Please say yes or no. Thank you. Today I will take up chapter 1 about myself of EVS. So before taking up something new, let us quickly revise how to give introduction. Introduction means to tell something. So here is a boy named Rahul. So children, be a good listener and listen to what Rahul says. Hello friends, my name is Rahul. I am a boy. I am 7 years old. I live in Ranchi. I study in class 2. The name of my school is St. Michael's Primary School. My birthday is on 10th January. My father's name is Mr. Arun Kumar. My mother's name is Mrs. Aarti Kumari. Okay, thank you. Children, we revised how to give our introduction. So quickly introduce yourselves to me. Please tell me your name, age, class, school, birthday, father's name, mother's name. Quickly, come on, start children. Please tell me your name. Superb. Continue. Very good. Yes, children, wonderful. Fabulous, children, fabulous. Hope you have said in complete sentences. Children, always remember when you say something, it should be in complete sentences. Okay, so let's take up something new. We all are free at home. You must be thinking what to do. We like doing different things in our free time. Something that we enjoy doing in our free time is known as our hobby. We do such things for our pleasure. Pleasure means the feeling of being happy. I repeat, children, something that we enjoy doing in our free time is known as our hobby. And we do such things for our pleasure. So children, I have made my handprint on a paper, painted it and written my hobbies on it. Do you want to see it? Okay, please wait. This is my handprint and I have written my hobbies on it. Reading, painting, singing, dancing and swimming. I like doing these things in my free time. So children, you can also make your handprint like this and can write your hobbies on it. Hope you have understood the meaning of hobby. Children, if you look around, you will find that we are all same, yet different in many ways. That is why each one of us is special. Special means not ordinary. We all are special. So children, if you find a fat person, a thin person, a person with a dark complexion, so never make fun of them because each one of us is special. We all have talents inside us. So never make fun of others. Let's see our EVS book. So this is our EVS book. The name of our EVS book is Hello Earth. Children, please say hello to Mother Earth. Hello Mother Earth. So let's come towards chapter 1. Chapter 1 about myself. Can you see this box? So you have to draw or paste your picture in this space. After that, you have to complete these sentences. You will not find any difficulty because I have already discussed these sentences in the general questions. Now let's come down. I have already discussed about hobby. And this activity also I have done. So let's go to the next page. The next topic is each one is special. So this also I have discussed. There is one amazing fact here. Each one of us has a special fingerprint. No two people can have the same fingerprints. These are the simple exercises which you can do on your own. I like to eat spinach, but my friend likes cabbage. Values, let's remember keywords. You can learn these things. Let's go to the next page. These are simple exercises which you can do on your own. You have to tick the things you like to do in your free time, and the next one you have to circle in red the things you can do on your own. Simple exercises. Now let's come to the creative corner. Individual activity. You can make a daily timetable for yourself and put it up in your room. Children, you must have understood chapter 1 about myself. So let's quickly do the sum up. Children, please tell me, what did we discuss first? Very good. We discussed how to give our introduction. Then, what did we do? Excellent. We discussed the 3 keywords, that is hobby, pleasure and special. Children, can you spell these 3 words for me? Excellent, children. Hope you spelled the 3 words thrice. Children, always remember, whenever you spell a word, you should spell 3 times so that it gets registered in your mind. Children, utilize your time and do different things at home. Stay home, stay safe. We'll meet soon. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.